Hey DIY, if you know me, you know I love Ray's wheels, and that's why I bought some more for the daily. So today we're gonna be taking a look at the Ray's 57DR in semi-gloss black, 18 by 9.5 plus 38, and we're gonna see how concave these things are, and we're gonna get my first impressions on them because I haven't opened these up yet. Let's just get into it. All right, so if you've ever unboxed Ray's wheels before, you're gonna notice how good the quality of the packaging is on these things. And I'm sorry if it's gonna be a bit rough for this video. I'm doing it with one hand, but you'll know Ray's always kills it on the packaging of their wheels, which is something that I really appreciate. So for initial impressions of the packaging, it looks about the same as the TE37s. You're gonna have these 4 cardboard little stoppers on the sides. Those are gonna be the first things you remove. You also get the Graham Light stickers on this, which is pretty cool. I didn't know if you get that or not because I don't see everyone running them, which is pretty cool. So it looks like it's an optional thing for you. This is just a little slip showing you how to remove the little tag that they put in between the valve stem spot. So you make sure you take it off. And it's actually this right here. I think it might already be off, but removing this, we have a little pamphlet and then a warranty policy as well. So that's pretty cool. And then here we are. Top cover comes off and then this plastic wrap over the top. And oh man, this looks pretty awesome. So let me put you guys on a tripod. Let's lift this thing out and see how it looks. All right, here we are. And you can just kind of pull this around and off. And that's awesome, actually. So let me show you guys this real quick. This finish is pretty awesome. It's like a very, very matte finish. This is the semi-gloss black, by the way. So, and the concavity for it, 9.5 plus 38 is actually crazy. I didn't think it'd be this concave. I mean, it's quite deep. You're gonna see like a lot of the wheels like RPF ones with a 38 offset. They're not gonna have as much concavity. So that's pretty awesome to see. Ray's always does a pretty good job with that. And I also didn't notice that they have the valve stems pre-installed. I don't know if this is a thing that my person that I bought the wheels from did, from factory or not, because they give you a little pamphlet like this that normally goes in there. And additionally, they give you the little flyer to tell you to do so. So that's interesting. Comes with these pre-installed, I guess. Nice little chrome looking valve stems. Not gonna complain at all. Thought I was gonna have to buy some Ray's ones, but yeah, not bad at all. Looks pretty cool. Setting this in some more vibrant lighting, you're gonna see all the cool little details here. You're gonna see the Ray's wheels stamped into the spoke right here on the side. You've got Made in Japan right there on the top right, and then Graham Lights on the side there. Now, if you're gonna be installing the sticker, which is over there on the side, you're gonna be doing it on the opposite side of the logo right here. So it'd go here on the right. And then with all Ray's wheels, something that I like that they do is they have these stickers on the inside of the barrel, and these are going to tell you the authenticity and the specs of your wheels. So one thing to know about these wheels is that they don't come with center caps. So if you are looking for those center caps, then you're gonna have to buy them separately, and they run around $120 or so. I may be a little off, but they're around the $100 range. Just prepare for that if you want to add those center caps on. The plus side to it though is that you have tons of options for colors though. You can really choose one that matches the color scheme of your car. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up this quick video and unboxing of the 57DRs in semi-gloss black. Again, the specs are 18 by 9.5 plus 38. I'll give you one more shot so you can see how concave they are, because I feel like a lot of places online don't really show you the best on how these things look in a certain offset. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how deep they are and how they look in person. Yeah, I mean, overall, it's super awesome and I'm happy with these wheels. So I'm excited to get them on my car and see how they turn out. And watch out for that video coming in here in the next week or so.